New York is planning a major investment in Africa. The New York State Pension Fund will invest upwards of $5 billion in Africa over the next 5 years. The money will be invested in private equity funds, infrastructure projects, and real estate. This is a big increase in African investment for the state. So far, it has invested $200 million. Joining us now on the phone is Dana Reed. She is CEO of Pan-African Investment Company, a company founded by former Time Warner CEO Dick Parsons. It is a pleasure and an honor to have you on the program.
Hi, thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Let me first ask you, can you benefit from this move by New York State?
Yeah, this is a validating message to the market, so I think that everybody will benefit. We have needed to have messages like this of capital flowing into the continent. So yes, PIC will certainly benefit, as will all of the large infrastructure projects, as well as the small businesses that are in need of capital too. I think it's just a message that has been needed.
Do you think New York and other states are sort of behind the curve here? For some time, there's been this money flowing into Africa. This investment, this seems a little bit late.
Well, I think when you start to see pension funds coming in, that is sending a message to the market that Africa is safe. It is a safe investment place. Whereas before, I think you had more like ourselves. We've been investing for 3 to 4 years now, and pension funds are going to take a different investment approach. So no, this is not too late. This is the beginning of a lot to come in a market with, just the macroeconomic data is pointing towards these types of announcements to come. So I would expect to see more pension funds coming in as well.
Your group has made some really interesting investments. If you can quickly tell us about the investment in the Kenya car company. I saw it on your website.
Yes, Mobius Motors. It is an auto manufacturer in Nairobi. It is again, we invest in direct investment into local entrepreneurs. So Joel Jackson is the founder, CEO, is manufacturing cars specifically made for the African terrain. So right now in Africa, you see a lot of our used cars being shipped over there. People forget that when you get outside of the cities, there are roads that have not had the infrastructure capital flown into them. So you need to get around. So these are durable cars at the same price point as the used cars that are over there now. Okay. And at scale, this will create at least 3,000 manufacturing jobs.
Dana Reed, CEO of Pan-African Investment Company. Thank you so much. And by the way, Xchange will be in Cape Town for the World Economic Forum on Africa in June. Ahead, who's behind the violence in Baltimore? Apparently, one lawmaker says gay married people. Our favorite person of the day is next.